RESPECT, respect. It is a positive feeling or action shown towards someone or something considered important. In your country, do you have ways to show respect to people? Good day everyone, this is SpeakUP, and today let's talk about the culture of respect in the Philippines. So eyes on your screen and enjoy the video. In the Philippines, like in other Asian countries, we show our respect to the elderly by using gestures and words or expressions. If you are younger than someone, you can't call him or her by his or her first name because that is considered impolite or rude. Now, what are other ways that we have to show respect in the Philippines? One of them is by kissing the hand of someone older. This is also a way of requesting a blessing from the elder. How do we do this? Well, we take the hand of the older person and press it on our forehead with our head slightly bending down. Usually done with the right hand, the person showing respect may say the words mano po or bless to the elder in order to ask permission to initiate the gesture. Typically, we do this when we enter our home and see our older relatives. Another way of showing respect in our country is by using the expressions po or opo. The po is usually said at the end of phrases or sentences when one is talking to someone older than him or her. As soon as we were able to talk, we were taught to speak with respect to our elders. This is to avoid being told as a disrespectful child by people. Especially in our Filipino language, these are expressions that we use to address people who are older than us, even those who aren't a part of our family. We can use names like ate or kuya that we put before their own names. At present, there are more ways to address older people outside the family. Even after a long time, Filipinos have maintained this culture of respect. Despite the influence of media and other societies, showing respect is still considered very important. It just depends on the way children are raised and how elders pass on the culture of respect to the next generation. I hope you learned a lot about Filipino culture of respect from this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.